Ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my channel. Today I will show how to generate or create AI illusion art photo editing like this, now trending in a social media such as Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms. Open your browser and search Hugging Face, then click Go. Open the first is a website of Hugging Face. This is the interface of the website. Scroll down Addy section written Drop Images here, or click to upload. After click, choose the image you need to generate, click Done. After those, if you need to set a scale, go to Illusion Strength. Scroll down to Prompt. On this section, you can type anything you need, like environmental, beach, mountain with tree, railway station, anything you need. I want to compare the picture I chose with mountain with tree, sunrise, then click Run. Wait in a few minutes if AI is generating your photos. Yeez. You see the image after generated environmental is similar to the image of the mess. To download, click on Download icon. Thanks for your time if you love it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.